Hey everyone, it's me Zaid Qureshi, and today I've made a new video. It's about Amazon Transcribe, a service offered by AWS that can do transcription, that is, convert speech to text. So, without further ado, let's get started. Amazon Transcribe is a super useful and very handy free global service offered by AWS that can do audio and video to text conversion, and we can do transcription of up to 60 minutes in a month. Amazon Transcribe makes it easy for developers to add speech to text capabilities to their applications. Audio data is virtually impossible for computers to search and analyze. Therefore, recorded speech needs to be converted to text before it can be used in applications. So, before we start with this, we will create a S3 bucket, pre-recorded audio files that we have recorded for transcription. So, we are here in the S3 page. We'll create a bucket first and naming it Z bucket. Click on create bucket. So our bucket is created. Now let's go back to the transcribe page. For transcribe to work, we'll first create a job. We'll first name it. We are not using a custom vocabulary, so we'll name it without custom. Now we'll need to browse it from the S3 bucket. So let's upload that audio file to the S3 bucket, and here the pre-recorded file. Using Amazon Transcribe, let's try a few tricky words related to the medical field, like acute respiratory distress syndrome, atrioventricular nodal reentrant tachycardia, and ALL. And we will see how this looks like without a custom vocabulary, how this interprets. So the file is uploaded. Now we will select that file in the transcribe page and select the no custom and leave the rest as it is. Click on next. Again, no changes required and no need for the custom vocabulary as of now. So creating a job. Now let's create another job while that is in progress, and this time we will give it a custom vocabulary. So let's again go to the bucket and we'll first need to upload it. The custom vocabulary usually contains the information about how to process speech in the input file, and by creating a custom vocabulary in text file format. So this custom vocabulary is a list of specific words that you want the transcribe service to recognize in the audio input. These are generally domain specific words and phrases, the words that Amazon Transcribe isn't recognizing, and it works best when used to target specific words. A custom vocabulary usually contains a phrase, that is the phrase that should be recognized, IPA, that is the pronunciation of the word using the IPA character, sounds like, the pronunciation of word using the standard orthography language to mimic the way the word sounds, and displays, it defines how the word looks like in the output file. We will leave everything as it is, but this time we are going to include the custom vocabulary text file that we uploaded earlier, and let's create the job. And in the meantime, our first job is also done, so let's see what is the result. Okay, so the text file is generated and it is pretty accurate, but still a few words are not the way we wanted them to. The other transcription job is still in progress. So the idea behind Amazon Transcribe is that we can give it more information about how to process speech in our input file by creating a text file, and it is a list of specific words that we want transcribe to recognize in our audio input, and these are generally domain specific words and phrases and the words that Amazon Transcribe isn't recognizing. So it works best when we use it to target specific words, and small vocabularies is recommended because it is not feasible to write each and every word in a text file. And you should not enter confidential data in this transcribe service for security reasons. Transcription job is almost done, so let's see what are the results. And this time it has captured the words almost correctly. The long tricky words are very well written. The ALL part is still a bit off, but it works pretty well using the custom vocabulary that we created, and we can see the difference. It has correctly, we can say, written the two very lengthy words. So we have seen how Amazon Transcribe works. We have input a few different audio files, and one with the vocabulary and one without the vocabulary, and we have seen the difference. So that's Amazon Transcribe. And thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.